Hello students, I am Dr. S.V. Thackeray introducing you the topic the nuclear hazards from the subject environmental studies for the class SYBSc. The nuclear hazards are the risk or danger to the human health or the environment which is exposed by the radiations which are emitting from the atomic nuclei and is called as a nuclear hazard. The another definition of the nuclear hazards is it is the actual or the potential release of radioactive material at a commercial nuclear power plant or a transportation accident. So these are the definitions of nuclear hazards. There are the two types of nuclear reaction, fusion reaction and a fusion reaction. A fusion reaction is nothing but where the atomic nuclei of low atomic number get fuses and forms the heavier nucleus with the release of high energy. Second nuclear reaction is the fission reaction. In this type of reaction, the heavy nucleus gets splits spontaneously and forms the different particles with the release of energy. So due to these nuclear reactions it's happened into the environment accidentally, they create the nuclear hazards. Radioactive substances are present into the nature such as the uranium-235, uranium-283, thorium-232, potassium-40, radium-226, carbon-40, etc. are the radionuclides can be beneficial and harmful depending on the way in which they are used. These nucleotides elements undergoes the decay and forms the unstable isotopes spontaneously and gives out the fast moving particles and the high energy radiations or both at the same time at the fixed rate until a new stable isotope is the decaying process is continues. The isotopes released either in the form of ionization particles like alpha and beta particles and in the second form like high energy electromagnetic radiations, gamma rays. These ionization radiations have the variable penetration powers and due to this they are used in a various medical diagnosis. Nuclear radiations consist of intense gamma rays and the neutrons which are produced during the first minute after the explosion. The X-ray radiation is used to examine the fracture of bones, to treat the cancer and to diagnose the various diseases. The radiation's effects can be a somatic or a genetic. Nuclear power is being used worldwide for the generation of electricity. Hence, the 70% of electricity energy comes from the nuclear power plant. The nuclear power plants routinely and accidentally release the tritium into the air and the water, which causes the various harmful effect into the environment as well as for the human beings. I-132 is the radioactive element that causes the cancer in the thyroid gland, which is the very important gland for the human life's work. The nuclear hazards effects can be either initial or residual. In initial effect, there is the immediate area of explosion and the hazardous immediately after the explosion, whereas the residual effect can last for a days or year and causes the death. The principal initial effect are blast and radiation, and that blast causes the damage of lungs, rupture of eardrums and collapses the structure and causes and causes the immediate death and the injury. So these are the effects on a human being and environment due to the nuclear hazard. The sources of nuclear hazards are the two types, natural sources and the man-made sources. The natural sources are the cosmic rays, comes from the outer space. And the another natural source is the emission of radioactive material in the earth crust like rocks, marine sediments, etc. The another source of nuclear hazard is the man-made sources. These man-made sources includes the nuclear wastes produced during the first mining and processing of radioactive ores. When there are the processing and mining of the radioactive ores that takes place, the nuclear waste is created. The another nuclear waste is created from the use of radioactive material in the power plant. Then the third, use of radioactive isotopes in the medical technology. So due to this also the nuclear waste is emit out into the environment. Then another industrial applications which are also includes the nuclear reactors, and then nuclear reactors also gives out the nuclear waste. Then the research applications, radioactive fallouts during the nuclear weapons testings are also create the waste as a nuclear. The next is in the nuclear power plant, any leak or accident taking place emit the nuclear radiations. The nuclear test conducted under the ground or under the ocean, which also release the nuclear waste into the environment in the form of nuclear radiations. Uranium mining and the mining, nuclear reactor and the reprocessing of the nuclear fuel is also causes the nuclear pollutions. So these are the sources of nuclear hazards, natural source and man-made source. So in this chapter we discussed what is actually nuclear hazards, then what is the nuclear reactions, types of nuclear reactions, then how the nuclear hazards get created. In next chapter we are going to discuss the nuclear hazards and their effect on the human health. So from this topic we discussed some MCQs. So here the first multiple choice question is, which is the main source of nuclear radiation? Option A, nuclear power plant, sunlight, atmospheric air and volcanoes. Obviously the nuclear power plant is the main source of nuclear radiations. Then another MCQ is, the nuclear energy is harmful? No, nuclear energy is not only harmful but is also beneficial, because as we discussed in nuclear hazards, the nuclear radiations or the energy is used, isotopes are used in various medical treatment, medical diagnosis, and no doubt here the 70% of nuclear energy or nuclear electricity is generated from the nuclear power plant. Then third multiple choice question is, which one of the following medical condition is caused by the high exposure of the radiation? The mutation is the genetic nuclear hazard which is causes due to the higher exposure of radiation to the human being. Then fourth multiple choice question is, which radioactive causes the cancer in thyroid gland? The I-132, iodine-132 is the radioactive element which causes the cancer in thyroid gland. Fifth multiple choice question is, approximately how many percentage of electricity produced by the nuclear power plant in the world? 17% of electricity is produced by the nuclear power plant in the world.